Here are some of the top news from around the world. Yesterday, a car crashed into a crowd at a Christmas market in Germany, killing 5 people and injuring more than 200. Driver was a doctor in his 50s and had lived in Germany since 2006, and it is currently unclear what his motive was. As we all know, China and India have some disputes over the Himalayan border, which can lead to a big war in the Asian region, but thankfully now they resume talks to ease and resolve the dispute. Ukraine brought the war into the heart of Russia with drone attacks that damaged residential buildings in the city of Kazan. Apple could soon be forced by EU to make Airdrop work with Android. 38 people die in a crash between a passenger bus and a truck in Brazil. Sonic the Hedgehog 3 earns $25.7 million on opening day, while Mufasa, the Lion King, trails with $13.3 million. Human Rights Watch accuses Israel of genocide by deliberately restricting water in Gaza. Firefly wins NASA contract for third lunar lander mission. A spacecraft is about to fly into the sun's atmosphere for the first time, most probably on the Christmas Eve. December 22, 856 AD. Earthquake near the Persian city kills an estimated 200,000 people, the sixth deadliest earthquake in history. On December 22, 1989, the Brandenburg Gate in Berlin was reopened, signifying the reunification of East and West Germany. In 2001, Argentina announced the suspension of payments on its external debt, the biggest debt default in history to date. And in the end, we all know that longest night in the year is of December 21st.